Now there's some pretty cool stuff we've done, but let's download some cool stuff to but you know what? I'm not even going to edit that out. You can listen to my mistakes. That's fine. Um, we're going to learn how to install new programs and use them so we can do even cooler stuff. There's a program called apt on Ubuntu that will let us install and remove programs and also update them. You can see that it has super cow powers. Super cow powers. Very important. I'm actually going to check if there's a thing called cowsay. And sure enough, I would like to use this program called cowsay, but it does not appear to be installed. So let's install it. One thing that I'll do that's just completely unrelated, but will get me out of this folder, is I'm going to do cd ... and that will move me up one folder. Yeah. So now I'm in a folder called desktop. And now I'll go to cd ... again, that'll move up one folder. And now I'm in my home folder again. Good. Okay. So we need to apt install cowsay. There is a problem with this though. This won't work because it says, are you root? Root is the administrator, right? If you are root, you can do anything you want to. But I'm not root, so I can't. If a command doesn't work because you don't have enough permissions, because you're not administrator, you can say, don't just do it, super do it. And that will run it as the super user, which is root, which is the administrator. They're all the same thing. Super user, root, administrator, they're effectively identical. So this says, super user, do this thing, install cowsay, the program. And it will do stuff. It says, are you sure you want to download these things? Just go yes. You can do Y, enter, or you can just press enter. And then it loads, comes up with some errors. Hopefully they're not critical. Doesn't seem to be critical because it says it's set up. So let's see if cowsay works now. Cowsay. Interesting. It seems to be stuck now. I can't do anything. I'm typing stuff. It looks like the terminal is just stuck, like this program is just stuck, right? What you can do is you can do Control C, right? The C is short for quit. Maybe cancel, I guess. Control C is how you quit a program in the terminal. Any program, Python, whatever. Okay, so the way cowsay actually works is you do cowsay and then you do the arguments, the inputs that you want. Cowsay Ranieri. And it literally prints a cow saying Ranieri. Isn't that great? Isn't that a cool thing to have as part of Linux? Isn't that important? I mean, it's a pretty rubbish program, so let's get rid of it. Sudo apt remove cowsay. We'll remove it. Yeah. Are you sure you want to install it? Yes. Easy. One thing that I like about Linux is that a lot of the programs, like this program uses 114 kilobytes of disk space. Can you imagine the same thing on like a Windows machine or a Mac? Typical program, using up 100 megs probably to do this stupid little program. So it's a cute little thing. Anyway, have fun with your challenge. I'll catch you later.